Welcome back to Britology. Imagine waking up in the middle of a peaceful mountain valley, opening your bedroom curtains, and watching the sunrise through panoramic windows, while enjoying a fresh cup of coffee. There are no hotel reservations to worry about, no crowded airports, and no fixed destination. Your luxury home is traveling with you, bringing five-star comfort to every corner of the world. Today, we're exploring a remarkable motorhome that redefines mobile luxury. Meet the Celestial Expedition, a luxury motorhome designed for travelers who refuse to compromise between adventure and elegance. At first glance, the Celestial Expedition looks more like a futuristic mansion than a recreational vehicle. Its sleek aerodynamic design combines premium engineering with modern aesthetics. Every curve of the exterior has been carefully crafted to improve efficiency, while creating an unforgettable visual presence. Premium metallic finishes, panoramic tinted windows, elegant LED lighting, and sophisticated detailing make this motorhome stand out, whether it's parked beside a crystal-clear lake or cruising along scenic highways. Built on a heavy-duty commercial chassis, the Celestial Expedition delivers both strength and refinement. A powerful diesel engine provides effortless performance across long-distance highways, steep mountain roads, and remote destinations. Advanced air suspension ensures every journey remains smooth and comfortable, reducing road vibrations even on uneven terrain. Intelligent driving assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, collision avoidance systems, and 360-degree cameras make driving this impressive vehicle surprisingly easy. Step inside and the atmosphere immediately changes from impressive to breathtaking. The interior feels like entering a luxury penthouse. Premium hardwood flooring stretches throughout the living area, while handcrafted cabinetry showcases exceptional craftsmanship. Soft ambient lighting creates a relaxing mood, and floor-to-ceiling windows flood the cabin with natural light, making every space feel open and inviting. The living room has been designed for complete comfort. Plush leather reclining sofas surround a stylish coffee table, creating the perfect environment to relax after a day of exploring. A large ultra-high-definition smart television rises from hidden cabinetry at the touch of a button, accompanied by a premium surround sound system that transforms movie nights into a cinematic experience. Integrated climate control maintains the ideal temperature regardless of the weather outside. Moving into the kitchen reveals a space worthy of a luxury apartment. Beautiful stone countertops provide generous preparation space, while high-end appliances make cooking effortless. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, dishwasher, and built-in coffee machine allow owners to prepare everything from quick breakfasts to gourmet dinners. Elegant storage compartments maximize organization, while soft-close cabinets add another touch of sophistication. The dining area comfortably seats several guests beneath designer lighting fixtures. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views while enjoying meals, turning every breakfast into a memorable experience. Whether parked beside the ocean, overlooking snow-covered mountains, or surrounded by forests, every meal comes with a spectacular natural backdrop. The master bedroom demonstrates why this motorhome truly deserves its luxury reputation. A king-size bed with premium memory foam mattress guarantees restful sleep after every adventure. Soft fabrics, designer wall finishes, and customizable lighting create a calm and elegant atmosphere. Spacious wardrobes, hidden storage compartments, and integrated entertainment systems provide the convenience expected from a five-star hotel suite. The bathroom rivals those found in luxury homes. A spacious walk-in rainfall shower, elegant stone vanity, premium fixtures, heated flooring, and high-quality materials create a relaxing spa-like environment. Excellent ventilation and intelligent water management systems ensure comfort even during extended journeys far from traditional campsites. Technology plays a central role throughout the Celestial Expedition. A fully integrated smart home system allows owners to control lighting, climate, entertainment, security, and energy management using a touchscreen panel or smartphone app. Voice commands simplify everyday tasks, while high-speed satellite internet keeps travelers connected almost anywhere. Multiple charging stations, wireless charging pads, and advanced connectivity ensure every modern device remains powered throughout the journey. Energy independence is another major strength. Large rooftop solar panels work alongside, powerful lithium battery banks and efficient inverters to provide reliable electricity for extended off-grid adventures, freshwater storage, advanced filtration systems, graywater recycling technology, and efficient waste management allow travelers to remain self-sufficient for long periods without sacrificing comfort. Storage has also been intelligently designed. Massive exterior compartments accommodate bicycles, outdoor furniture, sports equipment, camping accessories, and travel essentials. Interior cabinets, hidden drawers, and underfloor storage maximize available space while maintaining the elegant appearance of the living areas. Outdoor living becomes equally luxurious, thanks to the motorhome's innovative features. A large motorized awning creates shaded relaxation space, while an exterior entertainment system with weatherproof television and premium speakers allows families to enjoy movies and sports under the open sky. An outdoor kitchen equipped with a barbecue grill, sink, refrigerator, and preparation area transforms every campsite into a private luxury resort. Safety remains a top priority throughout the design. Advanced braking systems, stability control, tire pressure monitoring, blind spot detection, night vision assistance, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide monitoring, and comprehensive security cameras provide confidence, whether driving through busy cities or camping in remote wilderness. One of the greatest advantages of the Celestial Expedition is its versatility. It serves equally well as a luxurious vacation home, a full-time residence, a remote mobile office, or an exclusive retreat for extended cross-country travel. Digital entrepreneurs, retired couples, adventurous families, and luxury explorers can all enjoy unmatched freedom. Without giving up the comforts of home, attention to detail defines every aspect of this remarkable vehicle. Premium materials, precision engineering, intelligent technology, and timeless design combine to create a travel experience unlike any other. Instead of simply reaching destinations, owners enjoy every mile of the journey itself. Every sunrise becomes a private event. Every landscape transforms into a new backyard, and every road opens the door to another unforgettable adventure. Luxury today is no longer measured only by expensive hotels or private villas. True luxury is having complete freedom to choose where you wake up tomorrow, while bringing your comfort, privacy, and elegance with you. The Celestial Expedition represents this philosophy perfectly, combining world-class engineering with exceptional craftsmanship to create one of the most desirable luxury motorhomes imaginable. Whether you're dreaming of exploring the dramatic coastlines of Scotland, crossing the breathtaking Alps, discovering the deserts of the American Southwest, or relaxing beside peaceful lakes hidden deep within nature, the Celestial Expedition allows you to travel without limits. It transforms ordinary road trips into extraordinary experiences, proving that the greatest adventures begin the moment you leave home, especially when your home travels with you. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the Celestial Expedition. If you enjoyed discovering this extraordinary luxury motorhome, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Britology, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exploration into the world's finest luxury vehicles, engineering marvels, and extraordinary lifestyles. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next video.